Spelling of secretary. This is US pronunciation. Secretary. Look at the number of syllables that is it has. It has four syllables. Sec, re, terry. Secretary. Four syllable. secretary. Four syllable. So say like this. Secretary. The secretary. It is spelled as sec, then re, but pronunciation is like this. Secretary, secretary. But when you are going to spell this word, this will help. A a secretary keeps secrets. Look at the word secret, secret, and the secret is in secretary. Okay. Then after secret, we need to add ARY. Yeah, where you will get ARY? What many words with the ARY ending follow a similar structure like library, voluntary, military, dictionary, ARY. Secret plus library, that is ARY. I hope this will help your memory to memorize the word secretary. Secret plus library.